Today I'm going to be installing this. What is this, do you ask?
I got it from UAS, a guy I met at a show, makes these spoilers for our trucks.
This is what they told me to do. Get some of these stirring sticks. I chose a depth of 2. Put them on each side so that it'll line up perfectly. And then I use tape to keep it from falling down. The holes are pre-drilled, so I'm just going to go in and mark it with this so I know where to drill. Before, after, before, after.
Thanks for watching, guys. Here's some shots on the afterwards. It's pretty solid metal. I dropped it a few times and it really didn't get bent up that much. I joined the install. I had to find the right drill bit and to make sure that the screws fit, because you can only drill once. The guy who made these is a pretty cool dude. His name's Terry Howard. Give him a call. He's out of Tennessee, Carolina area. He doesn't ship, but he will deliver, or you guys can come pick it up. He also makes front spoilers. So yeah, give this video a like, subscribe, follow, depending where you guys are looking at this. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one.